would like to talk about a software which I've been working on for the last couple of weeks. It's called 1.QuizLogic. The purpose of this software is to provide a free software for people to be able to create their own quizzes and for other people to take them and see how well they score. So how it works is that you have a website where you go and you log in, you do a free login, and you can start creating quizzes. But in order to use those quizzes, you either have to install the mobile apps, which are still in some kind of development phase, or I'm also making an app for smart TV. So this whole series of YouTube videos is basically about the development of this software and how it is going, and I'm hoping I'll get some feedback and people will start using it. The applicability of the software is pretty vast. It can be used by almost anybody. It can be used by teachers, students, can be used by people who want to appear for interviews, because the use of a quiz is very widespread. I mean, if you want to know how well your knowledge is about a particular topic or a particular subject, the best way is to take a quiz. It takes a few minutes and you instantly know how good or bad your knowledge of that particular topic is. So what I'm going to show in this particular video is the Android app, which is still in development, but its basic functionality is in place. Since it has not been put on the Android Play Store yet, the link for the APK can be found below in the comment section of this video. If you want to go ahead and install it, you can. Your Android phone might warn that it's from an untrusted source, so you go to allow it to be installed anyway. In the next video, I'm going to show you how the website works. So for you to be able to use the entire functionality, you need to use the website in order to create quizzes, and you use the Android app to use those quizzes. I'll just show you how the Android app looks. Okay, now that you've had a look at the application as it looks in Android, I'm just going to give you a small overview of how the Android application looks in terms of source code. It's a pretty small application. There's just about 3 or 4 screens maybe. This is the opening splash screen. Then it goes to the main activity, which is just a placeholder for the different fragments. So the first thing you come up is the login part, where it expects you to do a Google login. Then it goes to the home fragment, where it will show you the list of all the quizzes which are available to you and the form to enter the access code for a private quiz. Once you selected a quiz, then it goes to the starting screen. It shows you the basic statistics of the quiz, how many questions, how many minutes, so on and so forth. Then once you start the quiz, then you have the main quiz screen, which goes through each of the quiz questions one by one. So each quiz item may have 2 to 4 options. So you flip through each item till you reach the last item, and then it shows you the score in the completed fragment. And that is where the thing stops. So I'm still building on it. One of the things which I wanted to add was the home screen, where it shows you the list of quizzes. I also wanted to show the list of the latest activity done by the current user in terms of which quizzes he used so far and what was his score.